We'll guide you through how to make dot pattern in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Launch Adobe Illustrator. When it's open, go to the top bar menu and click File to open the available options. From the drop-down menu, choose New to create a fresh workspace. A preset window will appear on your screen. Select the preset size that matches your project needs. Then confirm your choice by double-clicking on the selected preset. After the document opens, you can start making your dot pattern manually by using the brush tool. Locate the brush tool on the toolbar and double-click on the tool icon to open the brush settings. Adjust the brush stroke thickness according to the size of dots you want in your pattern. Next, move to the Properties panel and choose the stroke option. Change the stroke setting into rounded cap so the brush creates smooth circular dots. Once the settings are ready, left-click anywhere on your canvas and a single dot will appear. Continue repeating the clicking step while following your desired pattern arrangement until the design is complete. When your dot shape is already finished, switch your active tool to the selection tool. Select all the dots you created, then group them together so the pattern stays organized and easy to move. Your pattern base is now ready for further editing or placement in your design. You can also create a dotted effect by using another method with the Shape tool. Draw any shape you want by selecting the Shape tool from the toolbar. After the shape appears, go to the Properties panel and adjust the stroke thickness to your preferred size. Open the stroke options and select Rounded Cap again to make the edges circular. Then check the dashed line checkbox and adjust the amount of gap between each dash. Your shape will now appear lined with evenly spaced dots. This method is useful when you want faster results or need perfectly consistent spacing around a shape. You can experiment with different stroke thickness values and gap settings to create larger or smaller dots depending on your design style. After finishing the pattern, save your Illustrator file so you can edit or reuse the dotted design later in other creative projects for future graphic design or printing purposes.